subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share, and watch the video till the end. Thank you, my dear friends. Okay, welcome to the proof of the laws of logarithm. So first one is product rule. What you have learned in the product rule, that if two arguments are multiplied and if you take log, then we can write that argument in this way: log x with respect to a plus log y with respect to a, same base. Okay, they will be added. Okay, each argument will be added again. Now what is the proof? So what to do the proof? Let us take the value of this be some number m and value of this log be some number n. Now when you express this in the exponential form, okay, exponential form, what we get? So this is the part we have considered, that m is equal to log x with respect to a. Then see here, a is the base, so base, and m is the power, so m, and x is the argument, so argument means the answer. A if raised by power m, what will come? It will come y. Similarly, n is equal to log a y with respect to base a. That means what? If a is raised by power n, answer will come y. Okay, I think this is clear. Now let us multiply this x and y. So when you multiply x and y, since value of x is a to the power m and y is a to the power n, if you multiply, you have this equation. And by applying exponential law, you know, when we have same base and they multiply each other, we have to add the powers. So with the help of exponential law, I have added the powers. Okay, now from here what we'll do, we'll express this exponential. Now this is in exponential form, in the logarithm form. What you've learned in the logarithm form, how to express from exponential to logarithm. So we have to take log and you have to write the base and we have to write the argument. So use, my friends, can you say which one is the argument here? Xy. So xy is the argument and here power is m plus 1. So log xy with respect to base a is equal to m plus n. Now what value we have considered for m? That is log x with respect to base a, and for n we have considered log n with respect to base a. Okay, so this is the proof for multiplication product rule. Same, the quotient rule you can prove in the same manner. Okay, now let us prove the power rule. So what was the power rule? Let us discuss first. Log, what is the power rule? Any argument raised by power, the power will come in front of the log. Log m to the power n with respect to base a is equal to n log m with respect to base a. What is the proof? How to prove? Okay, so in the proof we will consider that the value of this be any number, let us say any positive real number, let us say x. Okay, so x is equal to log m with respect to base a. Now let us express this in the exponential form. So when we express in the exponential form, again I am saying a is the base. So if a is raised by power x, the answer comes m, which is the argument. So in the exponential form, argument you have to write in the RHS. Okay, now next step. So since we need power m, so let us raise the both side by power n. So if you raise this power by power n, it will become a to the power x whole to the power n. So here m to the power n. So finally we'll get this a to the power xn. So what was the last? So last we have stopped here. Okay, see. Okay, so it will become a to the power xn equal to m to the power n. Okay, now here base is a. Okay, base is a. Now let us express, now this is the exponential form. Now this whole thing is argument. Okay, and this is the power. Now let us express this exponential form in the logarithm form. So when you take log base a, this argument will come here. So this is the argument. So argument will come here with respect to base a is equal to xn. Now what we have considered x? We have considered x as log m to base a. So we will write here. So this is the proof for power rule. Okay. Next proof is base change form. So when we are changing the base, that means let us say here we have log b with respect to a is equal to log b with respect to base c by log a with respect to base c. Now what it is done here is that when you take any base, this argument will become the argument in the numerator and the new base will come in action again. In denominator, the base of the given log form will become the argument with respect to the new base which will come in action. Okay. Now what is the proof? To prove, let us take that the value of this log is some real positive real numbers. So let us take is x. So x is real positive. Okay. So this is the logarithm form. If you express in the exponential form, what you can write? A to the power x. So this in the logarithm form, this is the power. So if a is raised by power x, the value will come this argument which is b. Okay. Now what you do? Both sides will introduce new base. Okay, c. So we'll take log with respect to base c, both side. So if you take log with respect to base c, then it will, if you take both side log, this line you will be getting, this equation you will be getting. Now log a to the power x, so this is the argument and our new base is c. Okay, and here log b, this is the argument and new base is c. Now in this argument we have power x. So we have learned in the previous proof the power rule that power will come in front of the log. So by that rule x will come in front, then we have log a with respect to base c is equal to log b with respect to base c. Now x, so x is multiplied, so this part if you take to other side or shift to other side, you know anything multiplied will divide the other side. So if you take this log a with respect to b c in RHS, it will divide log b with respect to base c. So we get x equal to log b with respect to c by log a with respect to c. So that is log b with respect to a is equal to log b with respect to c by log a with respect to c, which are the proofs of some laws of logarithm. So if you practice, you will get it easy. Okay, so next we'll come up with some questions and how to solve. Okay, thank you.